What's up everybody? Welcome to the tutorial for the sales tracker that works for multiple platforms. So as you can see, we starting off in the dashboard. I got a pretty dashboard laid out for you guys with the total sales versus net profit right here every month. And then I got the cost of goods sold and the ROI percentages every month. Now you might say, wow, I never used Excel, I never used a Google spreadsheet, I don't know how to do any of this stuff. Well, that's why me and my team of VAs laid out this template so that you only got to input a couple of numbers and all these graphs and everything is already made for you. So let's go over to the inventory sheet over here. Now here is where you're going to want to put your sales. So say, I sold a shoe. I'm going to put the name of the shoe here. I'm going to put the SKU if I have any, the day I bought it. Say 1-1, how much it cost me. Let's say I paid $10 for it. Sold it on Poshmark. I'm gonna show you how to put your own marketplaces here to select from, but my favorite is Poshmark on this. And then I'm gonna do, let's say it sold the 25th for $40, and on Poshmark it's 20%, so $8 in fees. Don't have to pay shipping. My net profit here is $22 for the sale, already auto calculated for me after I inputted the numbers. Now in the notes, say you want to put anything here, gave the buyer a 10% discount. You can put anything there if you want, but you don't have to. Here you're gonna pick your different marketplaces, so Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, whatever, anything you need. You could track it all together in one place, one spreadsheet for all your reselling needs. Now here in your calculations, you're gonna have a breakdown for each marketplace. You're gonna have all your channels here, which is the totals of all your other channels put together. Amazon FBM, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark. You're gonna see monthly breakdowns for each of these. Now, say I'm not selling on Mercari anymore, I moved over to Etsy. I could go over in this marketplaces box over here, click on Mercari, and change it to Etsy. And now it's gonna be tracking Etsy here. I could go in here. Etsy will be an available marketplace to track my sales. Now, let's go to the dashboard over here. Over here on top, we got a yearly breakdown by every month for the year. That sounded weird. Every month in the year gets broken down in these charts. So here in the top, we got gross sales compared to net profits for every month. You can see your improvement, what months worked, what months didn't work, and make changes from there. In this second graph, we got our cost of goods sold, which is the amount of money we're using to buy inventory. And then this line right here, it's your ROI, so your return of investment on that inventory. So you can match that up with this percentage here. Here you see it was closer to 100%. Here you see it dipped around 65%. These are not my numbers, these are just example numbers that I'm using for the tutorial. So let's go down here to the bottom of the dashboard, which is my favorite part, because not only can you break it down by every month, but you can also break it down by every marketplace that you're selling on. So say I'm looking at Poshmark. What did I do in this month? I did $80 in sales, and I did about $64 in net profit. And then here you get the exact breakdown if you need. But the chart helps keep you motivated and helps you, see what's working, what didn't work. What did I do this month to get these numbers? What did I do this month that I got these numbers? This is all stuff you want to be tracking all the time if you have a reselling business. Not only for tax season, but for your own motivation and for your own analytics, I'm obsessed with this stuff. I love looking at this stuff every day. And I made a template so you could do it too. And then here in the bottom, the same thing. We got cost of goods sold versus ROI. And here you can switch the platform. What did I do on eBay? What did I do on Facebook? You can see your best marketplaces, which one you want to focus on a little more, which one you want to step back from. This marketplace isn't working too much. And then here's the expenses thing. You could add some expenses here if you'd like. I personally don't track that because that gets deducted from the credit card statements anyway, but I added that there in case you need it. And yeah, I mean, I love this spreadsheet. I do have a small one-time charge where you could get a bundle of this spreadsheet as well as my Amazon cash flow spreadsheet and my leads list spreadsheet. So you could get all three of these bundled up in a single one-time price for a few spreadsheets that you're gonna be able to use forever that are priceless, because this stuff, I love doing this stuff, man. This is what it's all about right here, knowing your numbers. If you don't track anything, you don't really know what you're actually doing. So I'm gonna put the link for these down below if you want to go check it out. And thank you for watching this tutorial. I got the videos for my other tutorials on the cash flow spreadsheet and the leads list spreadsheet. Make sure to check those out. And if you enjoyed this and I'm thinking about getting this spreadsheet, or if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.